back to the vlog. Today we're doing something special. We're going to my 5K because I'm on Girls on the Run. We have to be at school by 6:15. It's 6:07. We're all ready. Now we're just chilling, waiting to go. Yes. We're gonna start heading out to hop on the bus. We gotta go into the car, and then we gotta drive all the way to school because that's where the bus is picking us up. And then we have to drive all the way over to Phoenix, and then we also have to get all signed in. It's a lot. Just for a marathon. See you guys there.
No, tell you what, let's forget about it. You got it all figured out in a way about you. Like you can't get enough of wild nights. You work so hard, night and day, all of it so you can be the queen on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. And the way you move is like you own the room. Everybody gonna turn their heads and look at you, yeah. What you gonna do about it? Tell you what, let's forget about it.
Sixth grade.
Fancy friends ain't no way about you. Like your luck, it's never ever gonna dry up. No, tell you what, let's forget about it. You got it all figured out anyway about you. Like you can't get enough of wild nights and high fives.
We got the inspiration station right inside.
You can't get enough.
We got the inspiration station and also
show me the car where you turn me on, where you tell me you want me down. Done it, I've done this before. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling, 'cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me, but I'm from the city that's high school. Do you miss any more album? You a bad money, she don't like me. She break cars real fast like Conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end, and you know all my secrets, honestly. Hey, you cause honestly, do you follow me? Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes, I'm running around. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I can find it out. I know it's scary how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I can find it out. I know it's scary how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, we'll be like scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it.
Hey guys, good morning. It is Sunday morning, the next day. Yesterday, me and Mel did our Girls on a Run 5K, which was
It was cool. It really was. It was different. I've never done like anything like that before. I've always wanted to do things like that, but I never done it. So the cool thing is my daughter pushed me out of my comfort zone and I was able to do it with her. So it was really cool. It was a different type of event. I never done a marathon before, so it was different. It was really different, and she don't know it, but she ignited something different in me because now that I've experienced it, I want to do it again. And I posted all of our pictures on IG, and the people that, I guess, that run that marathon or whatever, they hit me up for pictures. So I thought that was pretty cool. So it was a different type of experience. If you know me, I like to do different things. I like to experience different things that I've never experienced before. So that was just one that I can cross off my bucket list. And the fact that I was able to do it with my baby made it even more special to my heart. So it was fun. But, big but, I woke up crazy sore. Like yesterday I was sore because really the way it works is like we got up in the morning. I was up at 4 o'clock yesterday morning. So I got up in the morning. We had to be at their school by 6:15 because we had to be on the bus by 6:25, depart and headed to Phoenix where the event was at. So I got up early, got Mel up, we got ready, and then we left. Went to the school, got on the bus, went down there, did the event, and then after we went out to eat, I took her and her brothers and my dad out to eat, and then I had to go to work. Like I really overbooked myself for that day because I forgot that I actually picked up an extra shift for one of the girls that was scheduled for Saturday, but she had an event, so I was like, yeah, I don't have nothing to do, I'll do it. Not realizing it was the same day as the girls on the run, the 5K. So I was like, at first I was debating, like, should I just go to work? Should I just, like, what should I do? And then I was like, you know what? I'll never get this experience again. I'm going to just go ahead and I'm going to just call in late. Like, it is what it is. Like, my job is my job, but, like, spending this time with my daughter is something she really wanted to do. That's more important. So I just called him and told him, hey, I'm supposed to be at work at 6. So I just called him and told him I'm going to be in at noon. So I'm going to just work the half shift. And that's what I did. I went, because they said we should be back by 11:30. So I was like, cool, I could do 12 and then just come in at 12 and work my rest of my shift from 12 to 6:30. So that's exactly what I did. We went and did the girls on the run. We actually came back a little bit earlier. So I told her, since we came back early, we can go get something to eat. We went and ate, and then I got to work a little bit later. I got to work around 12:20 something, and then finished off my shift. And I was so sore. Oh my god, I was at work so sore. Like, my ankles hurt. Like, I need to get running shoes because my ankles were on fire. My feet was hurting, my legs were hurting, and I sit at a desk, so I was like crazy sore. Every time I got up, it hurted so bad. So we keep like ibuprofen and Tylenol and all that stuff at the desk, so I just took some ibuprofen and just finished off my shift and then came home. And that was my day yesterday. Like, it was crazy. Hi, handsome. Here, somebody wants to say hi. Hi.
Hi, people.
Your face is so dirty. Oh my gosh.
Okay,
Here, go this way.
Okay, I'll clean it.
Go this way. Okay.
But we're outside cleaning our pool.
Don't look at all those clothes.
My sister out there cleaning our
Yeah, they're out there. They've been begging me to put the pool up, and I'm like, bruh, I don't want to do it. So I told them that if they want the pool up, they got to put the pool up. So they out there cleaning the pool. As y'all can see, they're wiping it out because it was dirty. So they're cleaning the pool, and they're getting ready to put it back up today.
Yeah, the water was really, really green. And the reason because I'm not out there is because I'm hungry, and I'm about to eat.
Okay, go eat.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. You showing them all my dirty clothes that need to be done. So yeah, they're outside getting the pool together. So that's their job.
And people, I got one more question to ask.
Okay.
When you're working outside on something, always when you come inside and you're done or you're eating, always wash your hands.
Yes, you should always wash your hands. Why?
Because if you don't wash your hands, there will get germs in your food and you'll get sick.
There you go.
And you're gonna have germs on your hand.
Exactly. So lesson of the day is to do what when you come in the house?
Wash your hands.
There you go. Said from Taj the man. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Crazy boy. Go eat.
Okay.
That's my baby. Them is my babies. But anyways, I don't even know where I was finishing at. But that's where we at. Good morning. I'm laying in bed. Like, I was at work. I was so sore at work. Like, the girl that I work with, she was like, girl, I thought you were gonna call off. I was like, you know, I was so close to doing it. I was literally gonna do it, and I was like, Carwana, it's 6 hours. Go and just get it done. Just get it done. Like, you done came this far. Just go ahead, finish off the shift, and then bring your butt back home. And then I'm off today. I'm off for the next couple of days. So just go get it done. So that's what I did. I went and finished after that, went to work, finished off my shift, and took my butt home. And I've been chilling ever since because my legs are in so much pain. I'm sore. But we did that. We killed that. And it was such a beautiful experience. It was such a beautiful experience. Like, I never done that. She never done that. And she's so hyped now. She's so hyped. And I'm so very proud of her because she saw it through to the end. Like, when we finished and we were just sitting down, I told her, I was like, I'm so proud of you. Like, you saw it through to the end. Like, you signed up for it. And I told her, I said, Mel, if we sign up for This Girl's on the Run, she's like, Mom, I want to be in track. If you sign up for it, you're going to go to every, you're not going to miss a track meet. You're not going to miss a practice. And when we finish, we're going to finish. So I was like, so you sure this is what you want to do? Like, because if you're going to commit to it, you got to see it through to the end. And she said, yeah. And that's exactly what she did. We had a couple when she was like, I don't want to go. And I'm like, you said you was going to do this. And she stuck it out. She made it all the way to the end. And she finished the 5K. And I'm like, that's my baby. I'm proud of you. You did that. So that's where we are. She got a medal. I got a medal. I don't know where our medal is. I'll post pictures after. But when we made it to the finish line, they gave us medals. And, you got to go through and get all these, goodies and waters. And they had Gatorades and everything at the finish line. So it was really nice. I told her, this is not going to be our last one. We're going to do it again. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I hope you guys enjoy the video. And we're going to end this vlog out here because I'm going to be chilling up until it's time for me to get ready for us to go. So happy Sunday. Love and peace from my family to your family. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see y'all on the next one. It's that time of year again. You guys are supposed to be straightening that all out.
Today it's gonna be 100 degrees.
Back in a while. Don't wait.
You're supposed to be straightening it out.
Call the cab, made space. And she said, I won't answer if you call me when you're lonely. I guess I let her go. Never mind, it's too late. But I can't believe I let you slip. I think about it 7 days a week, and this just can't be how it's supposed to end up. It's not enough. And maybe time will make you fade, but I don't know if I'm ready to just let you go away like my friends think I should. Cause what if I just wanna be with you? I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do.